Hi, I will tell you about the usage of Word Dolphin. It's application designed for memorizing words. First run. If you have Android 6 or higher, storage permission is needed to save your dictionaries. The rest is optional, but I recommend to set meaningful name for the dictionary. Now set the learned language. At the moment there are 3 supported languages, but I want to add the others. Select German. Select English from known languages. Word Dolphin will save dictionaries in that place you specify. By default, it will point at storage with larger free space. Set saving your dictionaries to SD card. Save settings. Now all is ready for work. It's a quick introduction. Disable quick introduction on startup. More info about the application you can find here. It's important, so read it. Let's work. Add several words. Add word. Press find. Word Dolphin starts searching German pronunciation and translations into English. Mark all that you need and press OK. Don't forget to save the word. Add the pair of other words. As you can see, translation is absent, so let's add manually. For doing it, press plus and type the translation. I recommend working with each word. The matter is that a word can have several translations, so it's difficult to memorize all. I recommend selecting the main translations. Usually I use Google Translate. Here are the main meanings: introduction and lunch. Let's mark them. Add the sample of usage and memo. Pay attention. A memo corresponds to the whole word, but a sample corresponds to the separate translation. Save. The word has been added, but we can see the memo and the sample. Tap at the word. Now you see information related to a word. You can edit, mark or delete a word. 3 types of marks are available. Star for bookmarks, green OK for learned words, and set smile for problematic words. Now add sample to delete. Tap at the word and press delete. This question will be available for some seconds and will hide. Now delete it finally. Mark some words. Now we can switch between word categories. Bookmarks, they are no learned words yet, that's why it's empty. Problematic words. Switch to all the words. Next stage is learning the words. Mark words to learn. And press learn. Repeat the words as many times as you need and try to write them. It's to promote to memorize better and recognize printed words. The case sensitive is ignored. It's time to check your knowledge. It's necessary to repeat words in two directions, translate to the learned language and on the contrary, from the learned to the known one. Answer the question honestly. Here I make an error. Well, view your grade. Mark learned. Let's end learning the words. Now do everything right. After learning, we need to repeat. The matter is that the learned words are quickly forgotten. Word Dolphin checks how well you remember them. You are already familiar with this, but the final is a little different. Intentional mistake. Word Dolphin adds score for right questions and removes for wrong. The application will ask new words and bad learned words more often. Dictionaries. Word Dolphin allows to modify existing dictionaries and add new ones. So, tap at Dictionary. Here you can change dictionary name and language preferences. Press plus to add the new dictionary. To remove dictionary, press delete. Confirm deletion. Pay attention, the active dictionary is highlighted in bold. To switch between dictionaries, just tap it. Return to the German dictionary. Good work!